Hello everyone, this is my review of the Wonderful Pistachios. These pistachios have no shells, and this is a variety pack, and I'll show you how big the packs are. Okay, here are the packs. They're pretty decent size. Let's go through some of the flavors here. We have honey roasted. Those are delicious. We have the roasted salted ones here, which I guess is a popular one that's on average. And we have the roasted chili. Let's give you a little bit of spice in these here. I'm going to go ahead and open up this one here and get some out so you could see what they look like. And remember, these doesn't have to shell them, so you're just ready to eat once you take them out of the bag, so you don't have to de-shell them. You get 2 packs of the honey roasted, 4 packs of the roasted salted ones, and 3 packs of the roasted chili ones. I like all 3 flavors, and I hope this review helps.